Greetings, vac fans. Well, this crazy extreme carpet edge cleaning series of videos seem to be fairly popular. So next on deck is my newest acquisition, a Shark Navigator NV22, and technically it's an NV22 LE. So 56 CFM at the nozzle. It's a very, very small nozzle. Think Auric XL small. Very, very small. So whatever airflow it has is very concentrated. There's not that much of it. It does have an awful lot of suction. And this was supposed to be the Dyson beater when it came out, like 2011, 2012, something like that. So let's see how well this does. And as usual, I'm going to hang the nozzle off the edge of the carpet. Alright, that ought to be enough. I'm going to have a little slow-mo fun. And as much as I like the music I use during the slow-mo section, I think it's probably going to start to get a little boring and a little old. So I'm going to have to eventually find probably a new track for you all to listen to. Alright, let's see what happens. Ooh, not bad. On the top, not usually seeing the little white cloudy stuff that I can see. On the edge, that did quite a bit. Obviously some here, some here. That's pretty good. Underneath, yeah, didn't touch it. So that's pretty good. I mean, as bagless systems go, I give that one a thumbs up. That's pretty good performance from this machine. All right, so my G5 is down for bearing replacement. I'll make a video of that soon. But up next will be the Hoover convertible. Stay tuned.